Hey friends, if you wish to install and use iTunes on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open the Microsoft Store and search for iTunes in the search bar. Click on iTunes and then click on install here. I have already installed it, so I'll click on open. And this is the best method to do it. Don't try to download it through the website for many reasons. Now once you're here, then if you have an Apple account or an iTunes account, then you can click on this option to sign into it, or you can directly go to the iTunes store and you can download music and other stuff from here. So if you want to use this music, then you can download it and so on. And you can also listen to the radio. For this, click on continue, and then if your country allows it, then you can access the radio as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.